Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by launching the phone app and entering the company's main number. Once done, add a pause or wait character so the iPhone can send the extension automatically. The comma inserts a 2-second pause, and the semicolon creates a wait requiring you to tap when prompted. Make sure to place the comma or semicolon after the main number, then append the extension digits. This prepares the phone to navigate automated systems without manual tapping mid-call. Now save the full dialing string into a contact or call directly from the keypad. If menus require extra time, insert multiple commas. Each comma equals a 2-second pause, so you can match the system's response timing. Alternatively, use a semicolon to force a manual prompt from the iPhone. You will tap to continue once the call connects. Make sure the extension digits follow the pauses or wait, so the system receives the right input automatically, or when you authorize. Finally, place the call and watch for any wait prompts if you used a semicolon. Tap when the phone app asks to send the extension. If the extension fails or goes to voicemail, hang up and edit the contact to add more comma pauses or reposition digits. Make a quick test call to fine-tune timing so future calls go straight to the right extension. If problems persist, confirm the company's automated timing. Adjusting commas usually solves most timing mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.